Dysfunctional vet here. This is 13 March. As you can see, the tops of the leaves are now well over 4 inches. The stalks are well over 4 inches. On the back side, better than 4 inches. At this time, we're going to count the number of beans we have growing. We've got 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 12th one is germinating on this stack. On the ones that are ladybug and dirt, we have 4 that are clearly germinated and above the surface. Their height is, the stems are just a little over 1 inch for one, about the same for the rest. For the ones that are just plain dirt, they are approximately 2 inches, 2.5 inches in height across, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. And we'll figure out the germination rate in just a minute. Otherwise, they're looking pretty good. On the garlic report, the garlics back here with the Miracle Grow have dwarfed the other ones overnight by about 2 to 3 inches. Otherwise, everything's looking pretty good. On a side note, I figured out in part what's going on. I should have figured this out earlier, but I didn't. The rock heats up, and so essentially these things are sort of sitting on a little oven. I've got to get them off the ground, and I'm going to be getting a evaporative cooler pump so that I can hold moisture in here better, and we'll see how that goes. The cucumbers are beginning to actually make cucumber leaves. Pull that in where you can see. They've gone from these big floppy food producing leaves to starting to make the leaves that you normally see on a cucumber. Other than that, everything is still pretty static. Dysfunctional Vet out.